So hello, long time no see. I have not filmed a YouTube video in a long time. I'm not going to get into it, but you know, there's just been nothing to film. I am half ahead today. I'm not going to show my full face. I still do a lot of content on TikTok and Instagram. They're both just Alice King Makeup. If you want to go follow me over there, would be really cool. Anyway, today I am doing a fun video. I've been planning this video since I saw this product was coming out because I'm really interested in trying it, and I know there'll be people who want to know the difference is. So this is the ABH Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax. I've been so intrigued by this. So that is the outside packaging, and then it's a pot, a clear pot, and the product is actually clear too. What I'm going to do is do one of my eyebrows with the brow wax and do one of them with my normal soap brows. A lot of people just use soap. I used to use Pears soap, but I don't know why. This is just, I find this easier because it's just a little pot. Pears soap doesn't come in a pot, so you have to, like, you know, I don't know, it's quite big as well. So yeah, I use this. It's pretty dirty, but this is by Westbarn & Co, I think. Yeah, soap brows. I've used it so much, and I use it literally every time I do my brows. I'm going to show you how I usually do my brows, and then I'm going to do the same thing with this. I'm going to fill them in the same with the same product. So what I use is the ABH Brow Powder Duo in dark brown. These are my favourites. ABH brushes, 7B and 12. They're just really thin angled brushes, and then they have a spoolie on the other end. I'm going to do this side with the normal soap brows and this side with the ABH brow wax. So is it really a YouTube video of mine if I don't have problems with the microphone? I swear it was on. I double checked, but of course it wasn't. So anyway, I'm going to shut up and just carry on. So basically what I do to fill my brows is I take the lighter side of the brow powder duo and I run that firstly through the front of my brows, kind of pushing it upwards through my hairs. I don't like go too specific. I usually use this sort of brush, or sometimes I'll use a thicker brush and just like put the powder on like quite roughly because I don't need it to be too precise, and then like go on the ends and stuff, and I just kind of fill them in roughly. I then spray into the soap brows. I usually use the Morphe one because I have quite a few of those setting sprays, and you know, it's just decent. And then I take the actual angled brush side and I push my brows up with the soap on instead of taking the spoolie, which a lot of people do. I used to do that, but I now take the brush and get the soap on the brush and push it up into my brow hairs. And I find that works better. And then sometimes there'll be a bit of product that comes off my brows, so I just go back in with the dark brow powder usually, because it's usually at the end, and I just make the tail kind of a bit longer and fill in any gaps. So now moving on to the ABH one, I did exactly the same thing. So I took some of the product out and I pushed it up into my brows with the same brush but a different one, and yeah, I did the same thing. Straight away I noticed that it was shinier. I often think that my soap brows look shiny, but then compared to the ABH brow wax, it looked much shinier. It did feel like it was holding up my brows. It wasn't sticking my brow hairs to my head, which is what my soap brow does. I know it's not to everyone's taste, but that's exactly what it does, and I love it because they stay there and you know they're going to be there, and you can just position them how you want and they'll stay there forever. Not forever, but quite a long time. So I did struggle a little bit. I don't know how to explain it. Slippery a little bit. I was feeling a bit worried about how shiny it was at this moment. I then decided to just clean them up and see how we go along. Yeah, this is the comparison. Obviously my brows are very uneven and they're quite short, so don't judge please. Anyway, yeah, I have been gone for about an hour and a half. This is how it's holding up. Pretty much the same, to be honest. By the way, I've got a look on. Yeah, that's the look if you're interested. Video will be on TikTok and on Instagram. There'll also be a photo and the product details, so if you want to know anything about that. They're not like stuck to my head like these ones are. I feel like I could push them with my brush and they'd be more stuck down, but I feel like they'd just come off again. Just push them. Yeah, they stick up, but they don't stay up. But it's fine. This product is like, so far it's like good, but like for longevity and like preciseness and like really, if you really want stuck down brows, I mean, it's not for everybody, so maybe if you just want like fluffy brows but not stuck down, this would be what you want. But if you want it to last, I mean, this seems like it will last. I will take this look off, but I'm gonna try my best not to take any of the brow off. I will see you in a couple hours. It's now 6:30. I first filmed it was 1:45? No, 1:45 when I finished. So it's been nearly 4 hours, 3 hours and 45 minutes-ish. And these are how they're holding up. Honestly, they look the same as they did when I first did them, I feel like, so they've both held up really well. Actually, now I've realised this brow has gone less shiny now. I don't know why that is and how that's happened, but it's not shiny anymore. So I don't know where the shine went, but it's gone. So I definitely will be experimenting with this product more, because it's really interesting to me that it's still stuck up but not like stuck to my head. I do think it's quite a cool product. If you like soap brows or you want soap brow effect but without using soap, because I know people don't want to use soap, like, I don't know, I guess people think like it's not good for your skin. I feel like it's a good way to get fluffy brows without being stuck to your head. I'm gonna keep giving it a go. I will try it out in some other like TikTok and Instagram videos. Like, I'll be using it probably to do my brows over the next few looks and stuff, see how I feel. At first I really didn't like how shiny it was, but it definitely has like matted down. I don't know when that actually happened. I've only just noticed it, so that is interesting to see, because now it's actually more matte than my soap brow side. So that with these, like, if I rub backwards, my hairs don't move, but if I rub this one, my hairs do move, but only a little bit. It is a really cool concept and a cool product. You don't have to use spray or water or anything to activate it, so that would be quite cool if you don't like want to bring a setting spray with you. I feel like it will last a long time because I used a tiny amount. I just got to remember to keep the lid screwed on, because otherwise it will dry out. But yeah, that's really cool. I wonder how long this product actually will last for. It says 6 months after opening. I feel like I'm gonna not use it all up by 6 months, so hopefully it will still work after them, but you know, sometimes they're just careful. So it's really interesting, actually. I'm glad they've come out with something new. Let me know if you want to try out this product and if you're gonna get it or not, or if you've already got it and you've tried it and your opinions on it, because it'd be really interesting to see what other people think as well, because obviously I have a different experience than everybody else. I did use it a bit differently than they said to, but you know, I always do that. I'm really sorry this video has been a bit of a mess, like it's just been my head and whatever, but you know, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do when you have really badly coloured hair and you can't bother to do the full face. Please let me know what sort of videos you want to see, because I actually really did enjoy filming this video. I really want to get back into YouTube videos. I do miss it. So please let me know. I will try, if there's any upcoming launches coming out, then I'll try and do that. I might be receiving the Animal Crossing Colourpop collection, which I'm so excited for, because I absolutely love Animal Crossing. If you follow me on Instagram or Twitter, you probably know that I love Animal Crossing, so I'm very excited for that. Hopefully I do get it. I probably will do a video on those because that's just so exciting. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. It would really mean a lot. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below, and I'll see you very soon. Hopefully, no, I shouldn't say that. I'll see you maybe soon with another video. Bye.